Road trip. Now, we've got 4 kids and we pack the car. We really pack the car. However, there's always room for the road trip survival kit, which, believe it or not, is more than chocolate and chips. Now, I've called in the help of an expert to go through my kit and make sure it's all okay.
Hey, Chrissy, nice big car.
Yeah, it needs to be, doesn't it? What do you think of my toolkit?
You got your blanket, torch, first aid kit, got your tools in order there, and of course, the most important thing, water.
Talking water, do you get many cars overheating nowadays?
Not so much with the modern cars, but you never know when it's going to happen. And the last thing you want to do is when the temperature gauge goes into the red, or you see steam coming out of the bonnet, you haven't got any of this stuff.
Oh, what's this stuff?
Coolant.
A little something you picked up earlier for me.
Yeah, well, you don't just want to put it in first. You need to find out where the leak is coming from and then rectify that. Then you're right to put the coolant in.
All right, so am I missing anything else in my survival kit?
Just one more thing, Chrissy. Yeah. Fuel.
Really?
Really. You'd be surprised how much more fuel a car will use on a hot day.
Ah, we have a few of those here in WA, wouldn't we?
Just a few, yeah. So make sure you strap it down nice and tight on your roof rack or put it in an appropriate jerry can holder.
So is that it? That's our kit complete?
That's spot on.
Beautiful.
And if all else fails, call us.